the kitchen again today. I know it's been like a long time since I posted a food video of me cooking up a meal, and you guessed right, I am doing another keto meal. It is going to be a really quick, simple, easy keto meal. We're going to do turkey lettuce wraps. So I just went ahead and put the turkey meat on the stove. I'm going to turn it down a little bit because I have it high here. So I did get lean turkey meat just because I don't want a lot of grease. I don't want to have to drain a lot off. But yes, so I know it's been a while since I've done the cooking video, but I have been up to a lot lately. Business has been picking up with my makeup, so I have been doing a lot of faces, and just doing a lot of things. I did go to the doctor recently. I know, if you all remember, I was telling you all about my keto journey and things that were going on with me being keto and how I was wanting to start back on that journey. Well, I did get sidetracked. I lost some weight. Did get sidetracked, went to the doctor, and I was diagnosed with pre-diabetes. So I'm not a full diabetic, or not diabetic at all, but I am borderline. So she did recommend, my doctor stated that being on keto is good for pre-diabetics, or people who are not diabetic but need to lose the weight. So I was already doing keto. So I'm starting back on that. So I have already put the onions. I started, so I'm just going to take some garlic and put in the pot as well. And I'm going to take some onion powder. Okay, so I have the onion powder, the whiter part of the green onions in here. And then I'm sprinkling some black pepper in here. And what I'm going to do is brown the turkey breast. And I did put, it was like a semi-frozen turkey breast, ground turkey. Okay, so I have the turkey breast and I'm browning it right now. And I like to get my turkey breast good and brown, because I always love my turkey breast to look kind of similar to the color of ground beef, just because I don't like that color, the white color that comes along with it. But yes, so remember we did put the white ends of the onion in here, and I did the black pepper, and then I also did the onion powder as well. I put in here. And then once I get it brown, I'm going to show y'all a little trick of what I do, which I do this a lot with my turkey breast, even when it's not Asian style. So because we're doing the Asian style lettuce wraps, I'm going to use this ingredient. But I do it a lot when I'm using turkey breast, period, because I want it to get that color of the beef. So yes, we're going to let this brown some more. Remember, it's harder for me to brown it because I stated it's it was semi-frozen. So while the turkey breast, or ground turkey meat, because I keep saying turkey breast, but while that's cooking and browning over there with the seasonings in it, I am going to make a dipping sauce for the lettuce wrap, because it only is going to take about maybe 10 to 15 minutes to cook, and it's really, the only reason why it's going to take that long is because I had the ground turkey breast was frozen. Other than that, it would only take about 5 to 10 minutes to brown that, and then cut up everything else. So the meal would only take, this only about a 20-minute meal. So I'm going to cook the sauce. I already have everything prepared. I have the lettuce cut up. I have everything chopped up. So it's only 2 minutes. It's only 2 ingredients in the dipping sauce that I'm going to make. So I have this garlic chili sauce. You can see that. And then I'm going to use a low sodium, the low sodium soy sauce, and it's only just these 2 ingredients. So I am going to put it in this cup, and I think for the most part I'm going to try to fill the cup up because the only people that are going to be eating this are my son and me. So I'm going to try to make enough for him as well if he likes this sauce. So I'm just going to pour this in there like that. And we can hear the ground beef cooking. So I'm just going to break this up a little bit. So I wanted to break that up just to make sure it cooks evenly through. Okay, and then the next ingredient that I'm going to put in this chili garlic sauce, I'm going to pour the soy sauce in with it. And I like for it to have not a thick consistency, but more of a liquid consistency. And then I like to take a little fork. I'm going to take this fork and just stir it up. And you can always do the consistency of the sauce how you like it. I like mine a little more liquidy than I do chunky. So the next thing that I'm going to put in the sauce, it's already a garlic paste, but I'm going to add some fresh chopped garlic cloves in there just to give it that authentic garlic taste as well. And then I'm just going to stir. And see, I like for the consistency to be more liquidy, and that way when the fork comes up, you can see those peppers and you can see that garlic in there. So you can always chill this. I like it more room temperature, and I'm just going to leave this to the side. So as I was stating earlier, I am back on my keto now. And I know I said that last time in my last interview, and look, we're all human. I get sidetracked a lot. And I got off of it, started gaining the weight back again. But, you know, my doctor said that keto is good, so that's what I'm working towards, is trying to stay on the keto more. And then I'm just going to use these videos to help me stay on track. So you'll see, hopefully see, I'm going to try to stay more consistent with my posting and post more of these food videos. Especially I see that that's what you all like. You all like the last keto video that I did. And if I can help anyone out there to stay on track or stay more consistent, or just help someone out with the meals, because I know a lot of times, you know, I do this. I go on Pinterest or somewhere, or just Google keto recipes, but I like to see them prepared too. So, you know, it may help you to see it done visually versus just reading the ingredients and doing it yourself. So if I can help anyone else out there on this keto journey, then I'm more than happy to do that. And I say let's do it together. So I think the ground turkey is just about brown. Okay, so I do have that turkey breast, or turkey. I do have the ground turkey nice and brown now. So as you can see, it is a little dry. So now I'm going to start with the next ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to add some soy sauce. And I just turn my fire down. So the soy sauce is not only going to add flavor and give it a lot of that Asian flavor, but it's going to give it that brown color as well. And then I'm going to add a little ginger to it. Not a lot because I don't like ginger to overpower my food. But this is what I'm using, a gourmet garden ginger. And I'm going to stir that up now. Ground turkey simmering a little bit. So to finish off our sauce and to top it off, I did cut up some chives, and I have the green part of the chives. So what I'm going to do is just add that in there, and I'm going to stir it up. And I may add just a little more in there too. So for the sauce, this really wasn't a recipe that I saw online. This was just something that I saw in the store. I'm sure that people probably do this all the time, but this wasn't something that I just got off of anywhere. I just decided to put this together. But I'm almost positive that people do this. So we have in our sauce, we have the garlic in there, we have the green onion in there. It's really chunky. And this is gonna taste so good. I'm so ready for it. We already have our lettuce cut up, and now we have our turkey breast is brown. So I told y'all this is a really simple and easy meal. It's really quick and easy. So look at our turkey breast, or our, I keep saying turkey breast, but look at our ground turkey. So, and it looks good. So we're going to fix up a plate, and I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Okay, so I'm fixing up some, and I'm gonna let my son try them. But this recipe is something that I did just come up with on my own. I know a lot of recipes out there do the PF Chang's, like copycat lettuce wraps, but I just wanted to come up with my own flavor, something myself, because I eat the PF Chang's lettuce wraps all the time. Only thing that I don't like I wouldn't do myself necessarily, are the water chestnuts. I think that's what they're called. But other than that, I love PF Chang's lettuce wraps. I think theirs is chicken. So instead of doing the chicken, I just decided to do the ground turkey. But I'm going to show you all a product of everything. I have the dipping sauce. I have the turkey lettuce wraps here. And I did decide to go ahead and top it off with the green onion. So it's time for me and my son to eat, to chow down. So I'm gonna call him down here so he can come get him some lettuce wraps, and I'm gonna come get me some lettuce wraps. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was really fun cooking in the kitchen. I really do love to cook sometimes. I just don't like to clean up the mess, but I do love to cook. And I hope you all really, really, really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating this video for you all. And I hope you all get something out of this as well. Until next time, peace. Ashton! Smaller, but I'm not doing sauce. So. Oh, my sauce is